If your Bosch refrigerator isn't cooling properly or keeps showing annoying error codes, don't stress. Resetting it is often all you need to get it working like new again. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step reset method that works for most Bosch models in 2025, and you can do it in just a few minutes. Before we start, quickly remove any items blocking the inside of the fridge so you can access the control panel without hassle. Once you're inside, look for the reset or alarm button. Depending on your model, this button might be located on the door or inside the refrigerator. Press and hold it to clear any alerts or error codes. In many cases, this alone brings the fridge back to normal operation. While you're on the control panel, double check the temperature settings. Make sure they match the recommended levels from the manufacturer. These small adjustments can instantly improve performance. If your fridge still isn't cooling correctly, it's time for a full hard reset. Simply unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet and leave it disconnected for at least 5 minutes. This allows the electronic control board to fully discharge. After that, plug it back in and give it about 10 to 15 minutes to reboot and stabilize. This step clears lingering glitches that the quick reset can't fix. While the system restarts, take a moment to inspect a couple of key areas. Check the condenser coils, usually found at the back or underneath the fridge, and clean off any dust buildup. Dirty coils can seriously affect cooling efficiency. Also, look at the door seals to ensure they're tight and not letting cold air escape. If you've tried all these steps and the issue still continues, refer to your user manual or reach out to Bosch customer support for a model-specific solution. And that's all it takes to reset your Bosch fridge and fix the most common problems on your own. If this guide helped you out, feel free to like the video and stick around for more simple home appliance tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.